Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and as you can see, we are still sitting sideways here, starting to look like a head after a left shoulder. If we start closing 4-hour candles under 22,800, I will be looking for 22.5, and after 22.5, I'm looking for 21.9. If we lose this level, I'm looking for 21,000. And then after that, I'm looking for 19. Now, the good thing is daily actually is finally holding sideways enough where the 21 EMA crossed. You've officially got your golden cross. Now, what we need is just to hold this level, 22,800 with 4-hour open and closes, and we can go sideways and up, break this high, and make a new leg up, probably a one-to-one extension. So, I mean, we will be looking for first 24,000 to get claimed with the 4-hour open and close. And then after that, I'd be just looking for around 25.7 to 20. 25.7 to around, yeah, 27,000. So, like I said, after 24, you got like 1,000 and another 1,000 coming your way. And that's if we can hold 4 hours at 22.8. If we pop back down, because we do look like we're setting up a bear div and we want to like take a little bit of liquidity before we go up, we can go test into 21.8. I will be definitely looking for a long scalp over here at 21.8, 21.9. I don't know if we can go lower than this level right here. This is officially support now, guys. Um, yeah, this 21.6, 21.7 level is officially support. We're gonna use that and this 21.8 for the weekly as support for continuation up. If we get a retrace, I don't wanna see it go under 21.8. If we see it go under 21.8, your last support level is 21. And if we close the candle under 21, same bull trap scenario will play out. We can quickly go down, take all the liquidity to 19.4, 19.5, and then come back up to 21.2, 21.3, like really quickly, dead cat bounce, and then go switch, just like straight down. Just literally, it'll be a trap to do something like 1, 2, 3, and death. 1, 2, 2, yeah. This time we hit the 200 EMA and crossed it. So now they took a lot more liquidity, but still, we have not broken this high over here at 25. After 25, we got 26 and then 27. So we have lots of layers of resistance up to on the top side. But right now we're sitting on support, and losing the support, we can break down lower and get a little bit more pain. So just be ready for this. I just want you to see this. And then also 22,935. Okay. CME closed. CME closed at 23,320. So we're down about $300 for where CME closed. On ETH, we are down 1608. We are down about $20. So we are creating a gap right now on CME above us. So if we do come down Sunday when CME opens, you should assume that we go fill that gap. So it doesn't matter if we come all the way down here. Now, Sunday, before CME opens, we might come back, test that gap, then go down more. Just keep that in mind. I want you guys always to keep in mind of that gap. It's just something to be cautious about for Sunday, tomorrow. Today, I'm looking for sideways and nothingness. If something does happen today, I want it to stay in the range. If we break this range and something's occurring outside of the range, we're going to form that CME gap for tomorrow. So today, it should be nothing really going on other than jockeying for position. Tomorrow will be a different story. So just be ready for that. Here's a 4-hour on Bitcoin. Exactly what I said. We are sitting on support. As long as we hold this 4-hour over here at 23, you will probably open the next 4-hour and just gun up for 23.5, 24, and then you can go even higher to 25, 26, etc. And then you can SFP over here and then fall back down due to the fact that you have just cooled down all your oscillators. It's showing bear divs, right? But the thing is, we're on an uptrend and we're sitting on support. It's not this all this red flashing bullshit doesn't mean anything until we start opening and closing under 23. Then I will take these bear signals and be like, all right, short this motherfucker down all the way to 21.8 or under. And then if we go to test the 200, it's still okay by my book, which is around 20,000. And we can just scoop that up. If you come down here, though, the risk of a dead cat bounce is here. So we want a V bottom out of it, but more than likely you have to have the likelihood of a dead cat bounce over here at 21.8, come back down, find a higher low from where you put in that first low, and then break out. You know, like a W. So that is what I'm looking for on ETH. I mean, on Bitcoin. We got our top and down side targets. Now let's look. Keep in mind the month is almost over too. So that for you. The month is giving us a good close about 21.8. We can still get up to this 27,000. So don't hold it out. The way this month closes is going to be very interesting for my TA. I would like to see that test into this before the month closes. So that way next month we can see it continue above. But closing like this, next month we can come tap and then just come back down. So very precarious. Here's your weekly. Now we're coming right into the resistance of 25, 26, 27. So around there, we're going to be looking for it, even though you're seeing a little bit of how do you want to say it? Resistance, doji, whatever candle form. I wouldn't get too gung ho about too much downside. You're gonna be making large support at like around 20,100. So to go lower than that would be the warning side to the downside, but to expect this is smart for a long scalp. Hopefully we don't go that low. I don't want to go under 21.5, 21.8, but you know, if it happens, I'm prepared and ready for it. And now you are too. Let's quickly look at E and start from the top and go backwards. We're done on Bitcoin. Here's your monthly. Weekly is that's not how I would like to see that. Okay. Here's your monthly. We're looking to come test into that $1,800 level. Okay. If we get there, that'd be great. 1850-ish. As long as we close above 1590 this week and this month, I'm looking for that continuation to that next target. So that's basically all you can have to worry about there. On a weekly, I'm looking for that 1785 to 1850. So 1750, 1850 is the resistance level that we're looking for to find. I don't like how the RSI is pointing down and we're at the 200 fighting. The death cross has already occurred here on the weekly. So unfortunately, let me quickly peek at Bitcoin one more time. So Bitcoin can populate 100. Interesting. Interesting. I'm gonna assume that we are on that same situation there, though. Um, Weekly wise, we were looking at resistance. Even if we come into this area, I'm looking for a pullback into 1590. As long as 1590 holds sideways, we got a chance for this to break up and then bring all the EMAs back up, make that golden cross with the 21 of the 200, and then continue up on a weekly level. That's very close. So next week, I don't want to see too much downside. It'll be like where is the support, long scalpel support situation all week next week. So be ready for that. Daily. So it looks like we're pulling a little down, and I am actually short from last night. Sorry. So I took a short like around here on Ethereum and Bit USDT just because I saw this bear div, and today was Saturday, so I was like, if they were gonna test support, today would be the day. So I'm looking for 1550 to 1520 on ETH. I'm gonna take some profit at 1550. I'm gonna take profit at 1520, and then I'll see if we can get down here. But more than likely, I'm gonna long scalp here while holding my short from 1585-ish or whatever, 1590. I got it. It was like a couple bucks under 1600 because I saw the weakness over here. As soon as we weren't gonna claim back up, I was like, all right, just take the short. And now I'm writing it. It's like maybe 100% profit or something like that. But um, I'm not looking for too much further, and I will put a stop loss. It's just I did it because we were opening and closing the 4-hour candle under 1590, which was one of the main reasons why I was like, okay, then we're gonna test downside into like 1550 or 1520. You can make a good 200-300% on that. Uh, yeah. And if it goes lower, you could even more. But I mean, I'm not looking for too much lower. But coming off overbought conditions, I want to come at least test the 21. And then, yeah, if we can hold this level at 1520, 1530, or 1550, I'm going to ladder into a long here. So that way I can ride this up into the $1,700 target for next week. So whatever I'm doing this week is I got my insurance policy for my short hedge at 1590. I'm gonna get my insurance policy for a full-on breakout to the moon today and tomorrow for my long scalp. I'm gonna DCA into that because I'm just looking for some fuckery into CME Open. And as we go to the downside, I will scalp that long. I mean, I could scalp a long right now and I'll lock in some gains. But I can scalp along as we go down, and what I will do is I will hold it for higher and stop out as soon as we break the range of my short and let the long run, so it doesn't go like insanely against me, and I'm just a wash trading fool. So just keep that in mind, guys. Here is the 4-hour on ETH. Also, when EMAs are like squeezed like this and you get trapped under them, you get that same like quick wick down. The issue is we're all coming from an expanding edge. So following the trend, this is support. This is support. You should be popping up from here and then testing higher and taking liquidity. And by the time you guys see this video, you will probably see market try to float up a little bit before going back down. So just be ready for all of this. And yeah, that's basically all we got. Under 1550 for our open and close, you got the 1450 to 1350 area. 4-hour open and close above 1700, you're going to 18 and 19 that we set before. So that's all there is to it. Last thing I wanted to show you guys is Dixie. And still playing around in this area with boulders. So you will see how this goes next week. But as of right now, you're opening and closing above 101. That's a good thing to test into 102. After you claim 102, you can go to the next EMA level. So I'm looking for upside on Dixie, not downside. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good weekend this weekend. It's going to be chill. Try to stay calm. Tomorrow's going to be the fireworks. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help out as soon as possible. Please, 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 if you could, leave a like, a subscribe. Please press the like button, the subscribe button. Please leave a comment if you have a comment or question below. If you could, feel free to spread it to friends and family so we can get our community bigger. If you're interested in trading with us live, please feel free to join us on our Discord server, which is in the info section of this video. So go to the YouTube video, hit more info. You'll find all the affiliate links of the services that I recommend and use myself. And yeah, that's it, guys. Aside from that, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. And if I don't see you guys tomorrow for the daily video, if you were on the Discord, I will be scalping with you on the Discord, or maybe even having a live stream later today. So talk to you soon. Have a great day. Wish you the best.